In under a half second, the system just made a decision. Not a prediction, a decision. It weighted 6 machine learning models and concluded the shipment needs a human. Everything you are about to see is running live.
Every day, last mile logistics make thousands of routing decisions. Today, most are made by distant rules and dispatcher instinct, reactive after problem happens. And every decision pulls in 4 directions at once. Meet the deadline, fuel cost rise. Cut costs, carbon rise. A human cannot balance 4 objectives across thousands of shipments. A simple rule cannot say how confident it is. For Blibli logistic case, we ask one question. What if the system could decide, and now when not to? Telara is 6 specialized model making one decision per shipment. Model 1 predict delivery time as a calibrated range, not a single number. Model 2 forecast congestion inside the hub. Model 3 account carbon alignment with ISO 14083. Model 4 run a genetic algorithm across cost, risk, and emission. Model 5 explains every risky prediction. And Model 6 combines them into one confidence score. The important part, the language model never decide routes. A deterministic formula does. Above 0.70, the system executes automatically. Below it, a human takes over. And this is AI that knows what it doesn't know. First, proof of life. Every model is loaded and self-verified at startup, including a mathematical check that our explanations actually add up. Next is the live risk monitor. 12 shipments scored in real time over real road distance from OpenStreetMap. Notice these ATAs are range, not points. 90% of deliveries land inside that band. No rule-based system can tell you that. Shipment 400, a normal morning, a healthy hub. The confidence score is 0.810, which means above the threshold. Execute automatically in milliseconds. And you can verify this yourself on screen. There are 5 components, each with a value and a weight. You get exactly 0.810. Nothing hidden. The formula is the interface. And now, the interesting one. Same city, but this hub is congested. Model 2 sees it first. Dwell time jumps to 95 minutes and the 19th percentile. 19 trucks in queue. That prediction fits straight into Model 1's ATA. Confidence fell to 0.646 below the line. The system refused to act alone. It tells the operator why, because deadline pressure. And Model 5 show which factor drive the risk, distance under traffic, weather, and that hub dwell time. The model doesn't just escalate, it hands over evidence. The operator review 3 alternatives, pick the greenest and approve. Human judgment exactly where it belongs on the hard cases. Across our shipment set, that is 16.7% of decision. Inside the healthy 5 to 20% operational band. Behind those alternatives, NSGA2, a genetic algorithm, optimizing 3 objectives at once, over the real road network. Here is its actual convergence and its actual Pareto from negative 48.2% SLA risk and 8.6 cost inside tolerance and honest trade-off, and the operator sees all of it.
The numbers: median ETA error of 4.4 minutes, coverage within 1 point of its 90% target on both models, inference in 2 milliseconds. But the strongest thing that we can show you is how we audit ourselves. 2 stories. Story 1. Our first model scored an F1 of 0.92, which is suspiciously good. So we audited and our data generator was leaking the answer. A 2-variable rule matched at 91% of the time. We rebuilt the generator, accuracy dropped on paper, and the model finally learned real signal, and now it beats the naive rule by 24 points. Story 2. Our first confidence formula never escalated anything. Mathematically, it couldn't, so we recalibrated it and exposed every subterm on the dashboard. And we later then corrected all distances to the real-world network. Every confidence score shifted, but the escalation rate held at 60.7%. The calibrations survive contact with reality. We treat our own models as suspects until proven honest. One disclosure in that same spirit equals today's models trained on physics-based synthetic data with routing grounded in the real-world network via OpenStreetMap, and the architecture validated on 45,000 real-world deliveries where we don't have a measurement yet, but our dashboard shows a dash, not a made-up number. At Plebe scale, less SLA risk means thousands of promises kept per day. And escalations in the teens means operators focus only where judgment matters. And lastly, carbon is the first-class objective in every decision. Not a single report is written afterwards. That is ESG. You can audit shipment by shipment. SLARA, 6 models, 1 decision, and the honesty to escalate when it isn't sure. It's not a mock-up, it's a working system, and we will be very honored to take it to the finals. That's all from Team Arwen. Thank you for listening. If we reach the finals, here's what ships next. SLARA, see you all at the finals. Thank you.